Bold Series display shelf can be installed directly into your existing Bold Series lockers and wall cabinets. Perfect for keeping your worktop clutter-free and easier to stay on task. Verify that you've received all of the product parts listed in the install guide and have the necessary tools. Bold Series display shelves should be installed after all locker and wall cabinets have been installed. Ensure there is proper spacing between your lockers or wall cabinet prior to your installation. Bold Series display shelves are manufactured in two sizes, 48 inches and 72 inches. For easy access to mounting holes, remove the locker or wall cabinet doors using the spring hinge pin. Repeat for the remaining locker or cabinet doors. Align bottom shelf with the existing bottom mounting holes of your locker cabinets or with the bottom of your wall cabinets. Insert the hex bolts through the upper mounting holes of the display shelf and tighten. Repeat this process for all remaining bolts. Align the top of the shelf with the top of your cabinets. Insert the hex bolts and washer through the bottom mounting holes of the display shelf and tighten. Repeat this process for all remaining bolts. Check the level of your display shelves before securing them to the wall and adjust adjacent cabinets if needed. Using a stud finder, locate and mark the wall studs. Drill pilot holes through the wall shelf slot and secure using the provided lag screws and fender washers. Repeat the process for remaining studs at the bottom shelf. Using two of the provided Phillips bolts, secure the light valance to the lower display shelf. Repeat for remaining light valances. Reinstall the doors onto your cabinets or lockers. The Bold Series display wall shelf is now ready to use. Consult your installation guide for extra information prior to your installation.